First day in New York. Friends, now we will listen to the story about Melisa. It has 8 scenes. Scene 1. Before the flight. Melisa is packing her suitcase. She puts clothes, a book, and her camera inside. She checks her passport and ticket. Her parents come to say goodbye. Her mother hugs her and says, "We are so proud of you." Melisa smiles and says, "I will call you soon." She feels a little nervous, but also very happy. Scene 2. On the plane. Melisa sits near the window. The airplane flies high above the clouds. She looks outside and sees the blue sky. After some hours, the pilot says, "We are landing in New York." Melisa looks down and sees a big, shining city. "Wow," she whispers. Scene 3. At the airport. The airport is full of people and sounds. She takes her suitcase and follows the signs. Everyone speaks English. She hears many different accents. Melisa feels a little lost, but she follows the crowd. Outside, the air feels cool and fresh. Scene 4. The subway ride. Melisa buys a metro card and takes the subway. The train is fast and noisy. She sees people reading, listening to music, talking. A man plays guitar near the door. Melisa watches everything with big eyes. "This city never sleeps," she thinks. Scene 5. Arriving at the dorm. She walks to her dorm building. It's not big, but it feels cozy and safe. Her new roommate opens the door and smiles. "Hi, I'm Emma." "Welcome." Melisa laughs and says, "Nice to meet you." They talk a little and drink tea together. Scene 6. Evening thoughts. Later that evening, Melisa sits near the window. The city lights shine outside. She can hear cars and people. She takes her phone and sends a message home. "I'm here." "I'm okay." Then she looks at the sky and says softly, "My dream came true." Scene 7. Night walk in the city. Melisa puts on her jacket and goes for a walk. She walks down a busy street full of lights and sounds. There are cars, yellow taxis, people talking, music playing. She buys a coffee and stops to watch some street. It's bright, colorful, and full of life. She feels free and inspired. Scene 8. A new beginning. When Melisa comes back to her dorm, she is tired but happy. She writes in her notebook. First day in New York. I feel brave. I feel lucky. She smiles and closes her eyes. Tomorrow, her new life begins. Thanks for watching. If you liked the story, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.